and these softwares are very good to get hashtags for your videos and also generate a good title for your video. Hi beautiful people, I'm Shinida. Welcome if you're new, thank you if you're returning. Please subscribe and turn on all post notifications because I upload entertainment and lifestyle videos every Saturday. If you want to get your first 100 subscribers or you want to grow your channel generally, I have 5 tips for you that will give you the subscribers you deserve. So stick around to the end of this video. While you're at it, get writing materials and take down some notes. But before we get into the tips, special appreciation to you for getting the channel to 200 subscribers. Special appreciation goes to these 200 people who have decided to be the foundation for NIDA Nation. NIDA Nation is a vision, and in order to attain the nation, we need the foundation, and you are that foundation. Getting your first 100 subscribers can be very difficult if you do not have a large social media presence anywhere. By anywhere I mean Instagram, Facebook or TikTok. But similarly, I do not have a large following on any of those either. You can check my account in the description box if you would like to verify. So the first tip is to get started. You don't need a tripod, ring light, you don't need to have a Canon 1 million camera to start making videos. If you have a smartphone, which you obviously have because you're watching this video, then you can always record and edit your videos on your smartphone. That is what I do. And the quality might not be the best, but it is a good start. Use natural lighting if you cannot afford artificial lighting. Sit in front of a door or a window.
By door or window, I don't mean a closed door. It obviously has to be an open door, open window, you know, so you can get some natural light.
What you need to know, you really don't need to have all the YouTube gear big YouTubers have. Make sure you have a smartphone and you just have some good natural light and you're good to go. Editing is another very important part, but you obviously do not need the best editing software out there if you cannot afford it. If you can afford it, fine, good for you. But if you cannot afford editing software, that is no excuse. Free editing softwares everywhere. You can use iMovie, KineMaster, Power Director. What you need to do is search on your App Store or Play Store for free video editors, and trust me, you'll get a free video editor that works for you. When you finally pass all these steps and you finally film a video, edit and you post the video on your YouTube channel, it's time for you to get an audience. And that leads me to the next tip. Tip number 2 is to promote your YouTube channel. You're going to be your biggest fan. If you don't promote yourself, nobody will promote you. You share your videos with all of your family members and friends. Ask them to subscribe to your YouTube channel and also to support and share your videos with their own friends. That way you get more subscribers as they keep sharing the videos. You also have to let everybody and their dogs know you have uploaded a video. Each time you upload a video, don't let your subscribers rest. Share the link to every single platform you have. If you're on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, make sure you put your TikTok, whatever. Make sure you put your channel link in your bio. Any social media platform that has a bio section, put your YouTube link in the bio, because it's how you're going to drive traffic from other platforms to your YouTube channel. Not everybody is going to like your videos or the idea that you have a YouTube channel, but you need to have thick skin because there will be haters. And they might be your close friends or your family members, but you just have to deal with that. Believe in yourself. You should be your #1 fan and the #1 person motivating yourself. You should be your own motivation on YouTube. What you don't know doesn't kill you. Nonetheless, all these people are supporting your channel and they're making your channel grow. So appreciate every single one of them and don't snub people in your comment section. Tip number 2 is to promote your channel, but sometimes when you share the links of your videos, not everybody clicks on the link. So that brings me to tip number 3. Tip number 3, YouTube search and hashtags. Little background story. When I started YouTube, I knew that hashtags were very helpful in the sense that they help your channel get discovered and get recommended when searched. I didn't really use hashtags mainly because I was just
not serious.
I started YouTube as a hobby, so I wasn't that serious about YouTube. I personally wasn't taking YouTube to be a full-time job or a full-time thing. I just took it to be a part-time thing, like let me just try this. I was just trying. Now I have 200 people who are serious about me, so I need to stop trying and start being serious. That is why from this point on I've thought and I've decided to rebrand the entire channel and actually be serious about being a full-time YouTuber. But I'm going to give you the tips. So once you have the title of the video, you go to YouTube, click on the search icon, and then you type in the first few words in the title. YouTube is going to recommend a list of titles that you can use because people search for that from the highest searched to the lowest searched term. Remember, YouTube is a search engine, so your titles should be more of things that people are actually searching for. It should be a sentence that someone could actually be searching for, if you understand what that means. Your title should be very detailed because people really search for detailed things. That way your video gets recommended when anybody searches for that particular title. Another way to get discovered in YouTube search is to use TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and these softwares are very good to get hashtags for your videos and also generate a good title for your video. When people finally search and click on your video or click your links and get to your video, it's good for you to come across as professional, which leads me to the next tip. Tip number 4. Tip number 4 is to make a YouTube banner that shows exactly what your channel is about. For example, my channel banner consists of my name, my upload schedule, which is every weekend or every Saturday, and my niche. For me, I have beauty, lifestyle, entertainment, and vlogs. Your channel banner is equally as important as your profile picture. Make your profile picture stand out as a YouTuber, so that way when you comment on other videos that you like or you enjoy, people might be curious to maybe check your channel out and they might subscribe. With the whole branding of your channel, you have to make sure that your videos have a uniform theme. That actually brings me to the last and final tip. Tip number 5. Make a variety of videos. That is a good way to get to know your subscribers and know exactly what they want. If you want to get to 100 subscribers fast, make sure you do a variety of videos. Do a couple of challenges, do a couple of pranks, do reaction videos. Just do videos that make you feel good. That way you get to see the reaction of your audience with the videos, and then you can niche down to the videos that are very specific to the needs of your audience. If you make a video and that video gets tons of views and get more subscribers to your channel, it gets a lot of comments, it's only logical that you make more of that specific kind of video. You can make the video into a series, or you can do similar videos to that particular video. If you have video suggestions or the types of videos that you enjoy on my channel, leave them in the comment section below so that I'll do those specific videos for you. Bonus tip for my small YouTubers: you're trying to get 100 subscribers, and it's proving very, very difficult and almost impossible because the first 100 subscribers are the most difficult subscribers to get. But I would advise that you don't do sub for sub for your first 100 subscribers. When you get the first 100 subscribers, you can do sub for sub to get to 1K. For your first 100 subscribers, it is very, very important that you have genuine people, you have genuine following. This is what will happen if you do sub for sub. People will subscribe to your channel. An hour later, 2 hours later, they will unsubscribe, or a day later, or even a week later, they won't subscribe. So it is easier. It is not easier. It is better to have 100 genuine people than to have 100 fake people. After you get your first 100 subscribers, if you want to do sub for sub just to get over 1k, that's fine, but do know that your views are not going to go up. Your watch time or watch hours are still going to be very, very low, because these people are not going to watch your videos. They're just subscribing to your channel so you can subscribe to theirs, and you can also get subscribers like you got a subscriber. And that is that about that. If you want to do sub for sub, do you, but I recommend you do that after you pass the 100 subscriber mark. I really hope that these tips help you grow your channel, and these 5 tips get you to 100 subscribers, because this is what has helped me so far. If you have any questions or any suggestions or additions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be right there to respond to you guys and interact with you. Yes, I read every single comment, and I try my best to reply to everybody, because if you can take time out of your day to comment, I definitely can take time out of my day to reply. And my good people, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all post notifications if you enjoyed this video. A goal is a dream with a deadline. See you on Saturday.
Instrumental. Oh papi.